Hello, I'm Brad. I'm the shower door guy. I have a customer that bought a barn door slider from a big box store and had their tile guy put it in. It took the tile guy several days actually to get it done, and the problem that they have is that it fell off on the first use. Their daughter literally went to the hospital and got stitches. The problem with these type doors, they are a really good price point situation, but they're pretty flimsy, first of all. Ours will not do that. The glass will be twice the thickness of this glass. This is an aluminum extruded bar. Ours is stainless steel, very heavy gauge, and it just bends very easily. And it has on both sides plastic caps versus the stainless steel caps that we use that screw into the wall and anchor into the wall. The other thing that these have that we eliminate is this channel on the side, giving a more frameless situation. Most people don't want any tracks whatsoever. We cut the glass to fit the wall properly, and when you buy a kit from a store, they have to be able to compensate for out of plumb situations on the wall. So that's why they have these big fat tracks on the side.